Okay, Maria, I really want a sweet treat after this, but we seriously need to finish this physics project.
Same, but girl, my tooth has been killing me all week.
Wait, why don't you just go to the dentist?
I mean, I would, but they keep saying I need a dental x-ray, and honestly, the radiation kind of freaks me out.
You're definitely not alone. A lot of people worry because they don't know how much radiation is actually hitting them.
So our learning goal today is, should I be worried about the radiation from a dental x-ray?
Radiation is energy that travels as waves or particles. X-rays are high energy photons. Think tiny packets of energy that can pass through your body, but let's see how strong they actually are. Okay, so here's the physics behind each X-ray photon. We learned in class that the maximum energy of a photon is given by this formula. Let me break down what each part means. Emax, that's the energy of a single photon. Basically, how strong or powerful that tiny packet of light is. H, that's Planck's constant, a super tiny number that links energy to frequency. And Fmax, that's the frequency of the X-ray, which tells us how fast the wave oscillates. Higher frequency means more energetic photons.
So higher F max means stronger x-rays?
Exactly. That's why X-rays can penetrate tissue. But here's the thing. The energy of one photon is tiny, like 6 quadrillionths of a joule. To feel that energy, your body would need hundreds of millions of photons, even in a dental X-ray. So when we talk about the tiny doses from dental X-rays, we're really just talking about a large number of very, very tiny energy packets. That's why it's safe, even though the photons have high energy individually. The total dose is still super small.
Okay, but what does that mean for me sitting in a dentist chair?
So this chart shows three different potential dental X-rays you can get and the radiation exposure in microsieverts and in photons.
Whoa, that's hundreds of millions of photons. Is that a lot?
Not really, compared to everyday radiation and photons. For example, one airplane flight is about 6 billion photons. So even a panoramic X-ray is only like walking outside for a day, tiny in comparison to harmful doses.
But people say radiation causes cancer, so where's the line?
Radiation becomes harmful at 10 to the 13th photons. Over a dental X-ray is thousands times smaller. Plus, dentists focus the beam and use lead aprons for protection.
What about kids, pregnant people, and frequent x-rays?
X-rays are only taken when necessary. Even repeated dental X-rays are still just a tiny fraction of harmful photon exposure.
Okay, I'm convinced. I'd rather take a tiny x-ray than risk a root canal.
Exactly. Our project now shows not just the physics, but how it helps patients feel safe.
Thanks for watching and take care of your teeth.
And don't be afraid of dental X-rays. Photons are tiny, doses are tiny, and it's safe.